What's up there, YouTube? USMC Zippo guy back with another unboxing and a story about how I got screwed out on the rifle range in boot camp. First, let's get into this. This one came in a white box. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Usually they don't. So you take this and you get rid of it. And the licensing is on the back. Here we go. Okay. Nothing fancy about this. Green matte, camo, United States Marine Corps. C21, made in this year. Okay. How did I get screwed out on the rifle range in boot camp? Well, first of all, I was one of the best shooters in my platoon. There was somebody as good as me. And you run morning relays and afternoon relays. You're shooting for a score up to 250. So let's see, does the carpet match drapes? No, D21. So when you shoot, you have you want to try to have the best score in your platoon, because that person gets promoted to PFC upon graduating boot camp. So I ended up shooting a 237, which is pretty dang high. Keep in mind there's about 80 something recruits in your platoon. So I was morning relay. Afternoon relay, I'm scoring a target. Dude hits 241. That's okay. No, it's not okay. It sucks. I had the best score until he did that. So, come to find out later, he ended up being the company high shooter. And there are 8 platoons, so 80 something in each platoon. There's over 600 recruits that shot. I ended up being the second highest in the whole company out of over 600 recruits. So 7 other recruits got promoted by shooting a score lesser than mine. Is that not fucked up? I think it's really fucked up. Let's go put it in the case. Here we are. Green matte, so I have a few more green mattes. So let's move these over. And let's try to get them aligned the best we can. Cover and alignment. See you next time.